What is up, everybody? So today I'm going to do an update for you on the TDI. Actually, more of a complaint. We bought this car a month ago. December 21st. I'm going to show you guys. December 21st, 2018. We bought this car. Paid. See? Paid. December 21st, 2018. I'll show you the car just in case you wanted to see it, but it's been a month. Has anybody else had a problem with CoPart shipping? Has it taken an entire month? Let us know in the comments below. We have other builds that we can do for content. We were just hoping to get started on this. It's a nice little car. We have a couple people actually looking for a TDI, so like, share, and subscribe. Follow us. I wanted to give you guys an update and let you know what's going on. Shipping company giving us no real answers. CoPart's up in the air. They've never had this. Supposedly has never happened to them before with this with their shipping company. Let me know if anybody has experienced this. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Follow us. More updates coming, more builds coming, more content coming. And I believe on the last video we were asking for comments if anybody wanted to see a Hellcat, a Charger, a Mustang. We've decided that we're going to go with a Mustang 5.0. That's going to be our next V8 muscle car build. So like, share, and subscribe. Real quick update. Hopefully be back tomorrow with some more build content. Working in the shop, getting things rearranged, making more room. Have quick jacks coming. Needed some room for the quick jacks, and we'll be getting going here later in the week with more content on vehicles. But like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the support. Y'all have a blessed day.